Welcome to my channel. This is G-Code Robotics. Many robot enthusiasts enjoy DIY, but often it's just a toy. We're thinking of using JA series actuators, 3D printing to create a high-performance robot arm. So we prepared a 3D printer and started to verify our idea. But the beginning was not smooth and we encountered some troubles. I will also share some of the experiences I gained in the process. We used the JA40 to create the 3-axis robotic arm, and aluminum profiles were used as links to ensure lightweight design, even under high-strength conditions. Now we're initiating the installation of the arm's base, which also functions as the first axis of the robotic arm. To ensure proper tightening of the screws, we employed nuts with heat-set inserts. We must pay attention to some details, including the model of the copper nut and soldering iron tip, the hole diameter in 3D printed components, and the temperature of the soldering iron. I recommend 10 degrees below the melting point of the material. I've reposted a tutorial below the video that provides an introduction to heat-set inserts. Now we have completed the connection section, which is used to link the joints of the second and third axes. Here we use the lubricant supplied with the bamboo printer to smear the bearings. It's worth mentioning that you need to consider the shrinkage of the 3D printing material, so when designing this flange we increase the size a bit to ensure that it can hold the bearing well. Now we are assembling the just-made bearing flange with the actuator housing. And next we install it on the base and connect the link. Due to the lower strength of 3D printing materials compared to metal, we reinforce the to right angle of the U-shaped bracket to ensure it does not deform. Now, we are wiring and covering it with heat shrink tubing, ensuring it effectively protects the welded wires. Passing the wires through the central hole of the aluminum profile, this makes the robotic arm look more aesthetically pleasing. The installation method for the third axis is the same. This is also the purpose of our modular design, to make each part universal and easy to install. Okay, we have completed the assembly of the 3-axis robotic arm. In fact, we went through several iterations of the structure because designing for structure and lightweight requires consideration of many details. It took us a week to complete the fabrication of this arm, and it looks good. These kits will be repeated in the following videos, in different combinations. In the next video, we will program and control it. If you're looking forward to its performance, please like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates. Goodbye.